How rich people handle their money differently. What makes them stand out? While some may think their success is due to luck or inheritance, many wealthy individuals actually follow specific financial practices and strategies that help them grow and safeguard their wealth. Contrary to popular belief, wealthy people don't just sit back and relax with their money. Managing a large fortune often demands careful attention and smart planning. Wealthy individuals encounter distinct financial hurdles, like ensuring their wealth lasts for generations, understanding complicated tax laws, and shielding their assets from unpredictable market changes and economic downturns. In essence, maintaining and growing wealth isn't as simple as it seems. It involves strategic decisions, ongoing management, and a keen awareness of financial risks and opportunities. In this video, I'm going to share 7 wealth secrets that the middle class and poor need to know. These secrets have been hidden in plain sight, but I'm about to reveal them to you. Get ready to transform your financial future and join the ranks of the wealthy. Let's get started. 1. Seeking expert financial advice. Many wealthy individuals recognize that they don't have expertise in every aspect of money management and investing. They understand the value of seeking professional advice from financial advisors who specialize in these areas. While hiring a financial advisor may involve additional costs, wealthy people see it as a worthwhile investment in their financial future. Financial advisors bring a wealth of knowledge and experience to the table. They offer tested strategies that have been proven effective in growing wealth over time. These professionals also provide access to a diverse range of investment opportunities that align with individual financial goals and risk tolerance levels. By leveraging the expertise of financial advisors, wealthy individuals can optimize their investment decisions and navigate complex financial landscapes more effectively. In contrast, many people who are not wealthy may not fully appreciate the benefits of professional financial advice. They may attempt to manage their finances independently, relying on limited knowledge or advice from friends and family. This approach can be risky and may not lead to optimal financial outcomes. Without the guidance of a financial advisor, individuals may miss out on opportunities to grow their wealth efficiently and secure their financial future. Ultimately, the decision to work with a financial advisor is a strategic one that can significantly impact wealth accumulation and financial security. Wealthy individuals understand that the insights and strategies provided by professionals in the field can accelerate their journey to financial independence and prosperity. 2. Working as an employee might not make you rich. Working as an employee means you're helping someone else build their business and wealth. While you gain valuable experience, the potential for creating significant wealth for yourself is limited. Many people believe they can become wealthy just by working for others, but this isn't always the case. Some people work their entire lives as employees and retire with little savings. The fear of starting their own businesses holds back many from the poor and middle class. They see entrepreneurship as risky or requiring large amounts of money up front. In contrast, wealthy individuals understand that taking calculated risks is part of wealth building. They are willing to invest in opportunities, even if there's some risk involved. Sometimes, higher risk can lead to higher rewards. While employment offers stability in a comfort zone, wealthy individuals are constantly seeking new opportunities to grow their wealth. They are not satisfied with staying in one place and are willing to venture into new ventures to expand their financial horizons. This proactive approach sets them apart from those who are content with the security of a paycheck. In essence, while employment provides stability and learning opportunities, true wealth creation often involves taking risks, starting your own ventures, and continuously seeking new opportunities to grow financially. 3. Money should work for you. Many people believe that the only way to earn money is by working hard for it. While hard work is important, relying solely on it can limit how much you can earn because time is a finite resource. You can only work so many hours in a day. Wealthy individuals understand this limitation and focus on making their money work for them. They seek opportunities to generate passive income, which continues to earn money even when they're not actively working. Passive income sources include things like rental properties, investments in bonds, currencies, forex, foreign exchange, fixed deposits, and trading in stocks or cryptocurrencies. Having knowledge about investments is crucial for making wise decisions. It's important to consider factors like risks and potential returns when choosing where to invest your money. This strategic approach allows wealthy individuals to grow their wealth steadily over time, leveraging passive income streams to supplement or even replace active income from work. 4. Time is valuable. Wealthy individuals value time as a precious asset in wealth building. They understand that most investments grow over time due to compounding interest or returns. This means the timing of your investments directly affects how much you can earn in the future. What you invest today can significantly impact your financial position tomorrow. Even small amounts invested consistently over a long period can grow substantially. That's why it's wise to start investing as early as possible, regardless of the initial amount. Time plays a crucial role in multiplying your investments, especially when placed in trusted and reputable investment opportunities. To make saving and investing easier, wealthy individuals often set up standing orders or use automated systems. These systems ensure regular contributions to their investments, whether it's weekly, monthly, or quarterly. By automating these contributions, they maintain discipline and consistency in growing their wealth over time. The wealthy recognize the value of time in wealth creation. They start investing early, even with small amounts, knowing that consistent and disciplined investing over time can lead to significant financial growth through the power of compound interest and smart investment choices. 5. Spend within your means. Spending money recklessly is a sure way to stay poor. When you use up all your earnings without a plan, you might find yourself in debt quickly. Wealthy people avoid this trap by budgeting carefully and spending their money wisely. They prioritize buying only what they truly need or what is essential. When starting out, sticking to a strict budget is crucial. As your income grows over time, you can allocate more for discretionary spending while still ensuring you save and invest enough for the future. Before spending any money, it's important to first clear any existing debts, set aside a portion of your earnings for savings, and ensure all bills are paid promptly. It's common to feel tempted to spend money that's sitting idle in your bank account. However, wealthy individuals recognize the importance of investing that money wisely instead of spending it impulsively. They understand that investing can grow their wealth over time, whereas unnecessary spending can hinder financial progress. Wealthy people also avoid the mentality of spending money to show off or impress others. Instead, they focus on building long-term financial security. Some wealthy individuals may live modestly even after achieving financial success, making it challenging to discern their wealth based on outward appearances alone. 6. Streams of income. Middle-class and poor individuals often rely on a single source of income and may not actively seek other opportunities. They might not realize the importance of diversifying their income streams. They may believe that sticking to one job or income source will eventually lead to financial success. In contrast, wealthy individuals understand the significance of having multiple streams of income. They actively create and manage various sources of revenue. This approach allows them to spread their financial risks. If one income stream falters, they have others to rely on, ensuring they can maintain their financial stability. Wealth is often built upon having diverse sources of earnings. By generating income from different avenues, such as investments, business ventures, rental properties, or royalties, wealthy individuals mitigate the impact of economic downturns or unexpected changes in one sector. In summary, while the middle class and poor may rely on a single income source, the wealthy prioritize creating multiple streams of income. This strategy not only enhances their financial security but also increases their opportunities for growth and wealth accumulation over time. 7. Positive attitude. Having a positive attitude is crucial for making money and achieving success. Wealthy individuals typically approach opportunities with confidence and a clear sense of direction. They are knowledgeable about their investments and are willing to take calculated risks to grow their wealth. They embrace new ventures and constantly seek ways to expand their financial horizons. On the other hand, the middle class and poor tend to be more cautious. They fear losing what they have and may hesitate to venture into unfamiliar territory. They often view setbacks as permanent and are reluctant to take risks that could potentially lead to greater financial gains. Wealthy individuals build their confidence through continuous learning and education. They study and understand their investments thoroughly, which makes them more skilled and informed. They recognize that financial success involves both gains and losses, and they maintain a positive mindset to stay focused on their goals despite challenges. In summary, a positive attitude, coupled with confidence and a willingness to learn, is a common trait among wealthy individuals. They approach opportunities with optimism, take calculated risks, and continuously educate themselves to enhance their financial expertise and achieve long-term success. Wealthy individuals, however, embrace failure as a necessary part of the journey to success. They understand that failure is not a reflection of their abilities, but rather an opportunity to learn and improve. By embracing failure and learning from their mistakes, they are able to achieve greater financial success in the long run.